Paano mo masabing close mo yung tao?
Kung komportable ka na kung man gawin mo, sabihin mo kahit ano, parang okay lang sa'yo. Yan. Gets mo ba?
Gets ko.
Ikaw, paano masasabing close mo sa tao?
Hindi naman. Hindi sa kahit malabing sinabi na gets mo pa.
Maganda yan. Pwede yan.
Kahit medyo malabo yung sinabi, hindi masyado mo yun. Pero magigets mo. Di ba?
I guess you've heard, I guess you know. In time I'd have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me.
Ano parang gusto mo itapagising mo? Iba yung gusto makausap, gusto ka ang problema, ano yan, masaya ka isang lugar. Ganun din parang papasaya sa'yo. Kaya sila katulad ng mga meron ako na naabangan araw-araw. Yung mga ganun. Swerte talaga ako. Pagpapasalamat talaga ako. Kaya kung paano ako mabubuhay dito. Ang bait talaga ng Diyos, kahit hindi ko pinili. Binigyan niya kasi pasang gano'n na para hindi ko maramdaman kung ano yung mga nakatakot. Kaya takot tulad mo. Natakot. Pagpuntaling mo. Pakasamahan sa ulo. Kung wala akong makaramdaman na ano.
I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't wanna change things, leave them just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more.
Sabi ko na masaya ako dahil magkasundo tayo, masaya ako na magkaibigan tayo, masaya ako na sobrang naging close kita.
Masasabi ko 100% na kahit anong judgment sa akin ng tao or judgment sa'yo ng tao, paglabas natin dito dahil hindi naman talaga natin alam kong kaya kong i-defend yun till the end kasi naging open ka sa akin, naging open ako sa'yo. Siguro maninibago ako yung unang araw na magising ako.
You were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Now take your smile home with me. All the magic in your The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here at last.
I suppose that you'll be leaving, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go, like an actor playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this love and endless sleep.